A new bipartisan, comprehensive immigration bill was introduced by two members of the House of Representatives. A Republican described by opponents as extreme MAGA and the Democratic co-chair of President Biden's reelection committee. But Congresswoman Maria Salazar and Veronica Escobar say they were willing to compromise because there is an urgent need for Congress to address immigration reform.
We'll have to do a lot of talking through the areas of discomfort so that we can gain the areas that we've been wanting to achieve for a long time, fixing an outdated visa system, increasing legal pathways, providing legal representation for asylum seekers, addressing immigration not as a border-only issue.
The bill addresses asylum backlogs, creates a pathway to citizenship for DACA recipients, and increases funding for Border Patrol personnel and infrastructure. But its biggest proposal would give 11 million immigrants living in the United States illegally a pathway to citizenship. It's called the Dignity Program, and people living in the United States illegally for at least 5 years without a criminal record could participate in what is ultimately a 12-year pathway to citizenship. The first 7 years would allow them to live and work in the U.S. legally. They would have to pay $5,000 that would be put into a fund for border security measures. They would also pay an additional 1.5% payroll tax to fund job training for Americans who feel they've lost opportunities to immigrants.
For every one person in dignity, one American can start a new career. No one can say that the undocumented are stealing anything away.
If they complete the Dignity Program successfully, immigrants could then start another 5-year program, pay another $5,000, and then become citizens. Getting this done took compromise, and the sponsors say they're well aware that people on the left and the right will try to sink it.
This should be an ongoing legislative process. Immigration challenges will be different 5 years from now than they are today. It should not take over 30 years to get Congress to the table to modernize and update laws.
House Republicans recently passed the Secure the Border Act, but it does not have enough support to get through the Senate. Congresswoman Escobar hopes that will lead more moderate Republicans to support the Dignity Act. Straight from D.C., I'm Ray Bogan.
Thanks for watching. We know that Americans' trust in media is near an all-time low. That is why Straight Arrow News is on a mission to bring you unbiased, fact-based reporting. To make sure that you get the journalism that you trust, like and subscribe to Straight Arrow News below. And to catch all of our content, go to our website, straightarrownews.com.